Hi, I'm Kimiko St John, and I am going to be presenting our group presentation on abortion. In our group, there was Abigail and Caleb. Abigail did the introduction and worked on the pros and cons, while Caleb did the conclusion and editing. And again, me, Kimiko, am doing the presentation. Sorry, my hair is in my face. Let's start with the introduction. Abortion is a very painful topic for women and men who find themselves facing the moral dilemma of whether or not to terminate a pregnancy. It's one of the most severe moral issues. Most people are on one side or the other. Very few are undecided. The moral debate about abortion deals with two separate questions. Is abortion morally wrong? Should abortion be legal or illegal? Our group has agreed on pro-life. In the following slides, we will inform you about the cons first about abortion, and then we will inform you with the opposing point of view where the pros on why abortion should be allowed. The opposing group call themselves pro-choice or supporters of abortion rights, and who regard intentional abortions as acceptable in certain circumstances. Our first con is, naturally, abortion is murder. The killing of an innocent human being is wrong, even if that human being has yet to be born. Unborn children are considered human beings by the U.S. government. The Federal Unborn Victims of Violence Act, which was enacted to protect unborn babies from assault and murder, states that under federal law, anyone intentionally killing or attempting to kill an unborn child should be punished for intentionally killing or attempting to kill a human being. 2. Life begins at conception. So unborn babies are human beings with a right to life. Upon fertilization, a human individual is created with a unique genetic identity that remains unchanged throughout his or her life. This individual has a fundamental right to life, which must be protected. If the fetus is developed enough, the child can feel the procedure and all of the pain that goes along with it. Abortions may cause psychological damage to the parents. Young adult women who have undergone an abortion may be at an increased risk for future depressions. And finally, 5, abortions are usually the result of poorly thought out life choices such as unprotected sex. There can be exceptions like rape that can lead to an undesired pregnancy. Instead of aborting said child, the parents could place the child up for adoption, which would give the child a chance at a better life. It would give couples who are unable to have children the opportunity at their own chance to become parents and experience parenthood firsthand. Allowing a child to go up for adoption not only would give the child a shot at life, but a chance at a stable, loving family. Shh. Sorry. Pro 1, women have a moral right to decide what to do with their bodies. A woman has the right to decide whether the fetus remains in her body. Sorry, I had some notes here. Okay. Pro 3, access to legal professionally performed abortions reduce injury and death caused by unsafe, illegal abortions. The World Health Organization estimated in 2006 that back alley abortions cost 68,000 maternal deaths each year in countries where abortion is not legal. Access to abortion is necessary because the contraceptives are not always easily available. Women need doctor prescriptions to buy many birth control methods such as the pill, the patch, the shot, and diaphragm. About half of all large group insurance plans do not cover any form of prescription contraception, and only a third cover the birth control pill. Pro 5. A baby should not come into this world unwanted. 49% of all pregnancies among American women are unintended. Birthing children is an important lifelong decision that requires responsible consideration, preparation, and planning. Unwanted pregnancies can also cause neglect and abuse. Many women, unfortunately, feel like they are forced into keeping children that they are not ready to take care of financially, mentally, emotionally, and all of that. So, unfortunately, in the long run, the children end up in worse situations than if they were given up for adoption or some other viably suitable situation for that particular pregnancy. In conclusion, with all the evidence provided through research, a high percentage of abortions are results of unwanted pregnancies. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, injustice is a threat to justice everywhere. Where is the justice for the unborn child? We cannot turn away from injustice. We cannot be desensitized where justice is the normal. We cannot speak on the rights of mothers without bringing up the rights of a child. Abortion should never be used as a birth control method. We cannot view the slaughter of a potential life so lightly when it suits us. As Friedrich Nietzsche states, corruption as the indication that anarchy threatens to break out among the instincts. Corruption is an injustice, and injustice can never be our natural instinct in determining life. We're excited for our presentation. Was from the procon.org abortion, procon.org, published on the 9th of May, 2019, abortion.procon.org. Thank you for being patient with me. I'm a little nervous, I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thank you to my counterparts for making this possible.